Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. All right, I just posted and you have replied to or responded to the Waterfall Rain 4-cup video. And one of the comments was a question saying, so what would happen if you didn't use the heat gun? And that's a really good question. I mean, I have no idea, even though I'm sure a bunch of people have tried it. I have never tried it and I've never seen anybody try it in a video. So I'm gonna do it here. This should be really quick. Got fuzz on my tumbler. This should be really quick. I'm going to do 2 cups. I have 2 ready. These are sanded, washed, spray painted matte white. No resin involved in this. This is just alcohol and alcohol inks on a painted cup. So I've got my 91% alcohol here. And for the first cup, I am going to go with my favorite colors, which is the aqua teal family. We have, these are all Ranger. Alcohol ink in Glacier, Aquamarine, and Cloudy Blue. Plus, in both cups, I'm going to use the brass, which is 2 parts pinata brass to 1 part alcohol. It's already alcohol ink to start, so this is more diluted alcohol ink, basically. It flows better this way. So, the second cup, well, you'll see that when we get there. Let's do the first one and see how it goes, because I'm curious. This is the turner I bought specially to do these alcohol Waterfall Rain cups, because this turns twice as fast as all my other turners. My other turners go 2 to 3 RPM, and this is like 6 RPM. So same as last time, I'm going to flood the cup with alcohol. I'm going to put my colors on, and this time I'm not going to heat gun anything. I'm not going to use it. We're just gonna let it air dry and see what happens, because I'm kind of curious. I'm anticipating some stripes, but who knows? You'll find out when I find out. All right, here we go. Shake my brass up good here. This is very cool. I like how this turned out. This is really beautiful. To do it again, I probably wouldn't have put the darkest blue at the very top like that, but actually I kind of like that too. So there's an answer. I don't know if this will happen every time, and I'm curious to see what happens next. So I'm gonna turn this off. Yep, totally dry. Take this off. That is really gorgeous. Totally different and not what I expected. We did get 1 stripe there, but everything else really blended together. I love it. I love how it looks. I think if I tried to do it in a more gradient fashion, that would be kind of cool too. Lights to darks or darks to lights. All right, so moving on to the next one, I shall replace our cup with a brand new white one. Turn that back on. And now, I told you I'd make you wait until now to find out what the next color combo is going to be, and it's going to be a single color. I'm going to put on black. We may get an entirely black cup. That'd be kind of cool. I am going to use the brass just to break things up a little bit. It didn't take over too much here. It is kind of neat though, I like it. So we're gonna use Ranger Pitch Black, and this stuff is black. It is really black. Shake up my brass again. Take the top off. And start by flooding the cup with alcohol. Okay, here we go. This time I'm not going to address the whites. I'm just going to wait and see what happens. So, sit back and enjoy the show. All right, I think this is dry. I am embarrassed to let you know that I touched it when it was not dry. So there's a bit of a smudge, and of course I had to drop some alcohol ink on it. So now there's a big black spot, which looks different from the rest of it. But all in all, I think this is gorgeous. Again, I really didn't know what I was going to get. I kind of wish it was, you know, all the way up. How it looks here was up here as well. But honestly, this is cool. I love it. I think it's fascinating how so much of the brass settled to the bottom rim. I like that. And yet it's all over. I just love it. All right, so I'm going to take these both. I am going to resin them both, and then I am going to use possibly this one, maybe this one. Well, I'm going to use them both in other videos, so you'll see them again. But I wanted to get this up to show you what happens when you do this technique and do not use a heat gun, because I was curious too. So thank you for joining me. Stay safe, everyone. I will see you in the next video.